know everyone is telling you to invest right now, but for some of us, that's the worst advice to follow right now. Now, let me tell you why. Number one, you are earning below minimum wage. Tell me, why are you investing when you don't have enough money to even get by? I tell you, this is me speaking from experience. You will go and take out of that money you put aside for investments. You after your expense money has finished, you go and take out of that money, and then you're going to spend it. Then you are not achieving your goal. You're not achieving your goal of investment because you need to survive too. If you don't survive, how do you have money? I mean, how do you plan for your future? That's like deceiving yourself. Number two reason you are not ready to invest right now. Why? You are in debt. Why? If you are in debt right now, your focus should not be on putting money aside for investment. If you have not paid someone else's money, that you know that they are on your neck. At the end of the day, you don't have the peace of mind to build your wealth and also plan your future. Number three, do you have an emergency fund? I mean, if you don't have an emergency fund, why are you investing? Emergency fund is that money that you set aside for rainy days. Days that maybe your car broke down on the road, days that maybe family member is sick, or maybe even you are sick. I mean, life is like a series of up and downs. You can't really predict what is going to happen tomorrow. What if you lose your job? But you decide to jump into investment without putting money aside in a high savings account that will be yielding interest for you, money that you know that can sustain you for 6 months just in case something come up. That is emergency fund. If you don't have that, then my dear, you do not have any reason to start investment. You do not have any reason to even consider going into investment. So now what should you do? What you should do is that first, ensure that you put money aside for emergency fund, money that you know that if once you calculate the amount of money that you spend per month times six of that, put it aside in an emergency fund, in a high saving account where you know that interest will always accumulate for you. And next thing you should do is that try to pay up your debts instead. If you have debt, pay it up. Then if you are any below minimum wage, I know the minimum wage for in Nigeria right now is 70,000. But me and you, we know the things, the state of Nigeria. We know that some people are even earning 50K, even less than 50K. So if you're in that bracket, please, what you should be considering right now is to upskill. Try to upskill, learn some skills, increase your earning power, learn in-demand skills, right? That will make you earn more and thereby be able to invest and plan your future. Tech skills is out there without even you going to school. You can just learn by yourself. There are tech skills, digital marketing skills. There are a lot of skills out there. And there are free skills too that you can learn to upskill yourself. If you want me to talk about the kind of skills that are out there that you can learn for free, if you don't have the funds, if you're in that rate where you don't have the funds, there are skills out there you can learn. And if it's something that you're interested in, please let me know in the comment section. I would discuss that in my next video. Free skills that you can learn to upskill in Nigeria, because I know how things are in Nigeria. We have to survive in this Nigeria. So if this is you and if you think this is helpful to you, please give a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I would like to hear your thoughts, but they're very, very important to me. So, my name is Victory once again. Welcome to my channel. It's good to have you. I'm glad doing this with you. I would like to say it's good to have you here because I feel like you are doing this with me as well. So, thank you for watching. Bye.